Good day, everybody. Kevin Baylor, Alliance IT, and I wanted to get everybody on the same page and on the same team, and let's talk about Microsoft Teams. If you haven't used Microsoft Teams yet, it's the new version of the Microsoft Chat platform, but it is becoming more and more than just a chat platform. It is really a unified communications platform. So if you're still using Skype, talk to your IT department, your IT company, look at getting migrated up and use Teams. Of course, you can do your basic things such as chatting to someone in Teams. You can say, "Hi, how are you?" Your basic chat, and they're going to reply back. Nothing like talking to yourself during a demo. You have options. You can go out and you need to get somebody and they have a headset. You can call them. You don't have to pick up the phone. You can just plain call them. Now, you may be interrupting them, not knowing exactly what they're doing, which may be the case here, unless Jarrett does pick up.
What?
Hey, we're just doing a quick little live demo here of calling through Teams, so appreciate you picking up there, Jarrett. Say hi to everyone.
Hello, everyone.
All right, now say goodbye. Get back to work.
Goodbye, everyone.
So again, quick ways to communicate with your team and anyone else that may be in Teams. You want to talk to your IT department or your IT firm whether or not you have outside communications available with Teams. You may be able to talk to clients or vendors as well with that. But from a unified communications, there's a lot of other things you can do with Teams as well. You can go out and you can access files, whether they're files that you've downloaded, files you may have in OneDrive. And this is one way that you can access these files in an actual team environment, review the documents, and work on the documents simultaneously. You want to access your calendar. You're in Teams. You're talking to somebody. You're in a chat. You want to find out what's going on, what your schedule's like. You can go out, look at your calendar right from here, pull the information right out of Outlook, go up here. You can set up a new meeting request within the Teams environment. If you haven't created a team already, you can create multiple teams, of course. These are going to be individuals of like minds, whether it's engineering, accounting, back office support, project management. You can create a team for just a specific project and involve all the engineers from field to in-house to accounting to C-level management in this team regarding a specific project if need be. There are several apps that will also integrate with Microsoft Teams. One of those is actually Cisco WebEx and Zoom. So if you have a vendor or client or somebody that uses Zoom a lot, you can add Zoom into your Microsoft Teams and have access to those Zoom meetings within Teams. And the same goes with WebEx as well. But one of my favorite ones that I use quite frequently is actually OneNote. And just for visibility, whether you're using Teams in the browser version or in the desktop version, it acts and looks almost identical. But let's bring up OneNote. If you use OneNote a lot, like I do, I have the ability to go in here and bring up my recent OneNotes, any OneNotes that I want to work on, whether they're in my personal OneNote, if they're in a team OneNote. So this way, again, if I'm talking to somebody, whether it's chat, phone, I'm working within Teams, I have the ability to get to this information without leaving that application. Once again, improving productivity and reducing stress and making your day much brighter. Go check out Teams, Microsoft Teams that is. We'll catch you later. Have a great one. Thank you.